It is a very cold day today. Just get prepared. It is 9 degrees right now, and it's getting down to -1 tonight. Duckies! I hear ya. Just listen to this. That snows pretty deep. This was just overnight, by the way, guys. They need their food. Morning, guys! Forgot to record getting them food. Getting them some warm water. Excuse me, guys. Fresh water. Hey, guys. Morning. Oh, it's so cold. Gotta get Maddie some food. Hi, baby. Tell you what, I need to break up your water. That was a lot. Hi, Maddie the dog. Hi, baby. You need your daily pattings. Well, get your food. Oh, let's get that snow out of there. Oh, dang. You're frozen on the ground. Get your eatings in. Don't you dare. Don't jump on me. Oh, what's wrong? Did I accidentally step on your paw? I'm sorry. Are you okay? Hey, get your eatings in. See ya, Maddie. See ya, boys or girls. Still don't really know yet. Highly confident they are boys. Goodbye, everyone. Have an amazing day. Happy Sunday. Have a blessed day. See ya. Survive the cold weather.